The session starts with a short introduction from the coach, and then children visit each of the stations in small groups. Meet Brainy, our fun character, who kicks off each activity with a short video. During the workshop, children will learn about the evidence-based 5 ways to well-being, which we have called GetCALM, to help them remember. This stands for G is for giving, looking at being kind to ourselves and others and our emotions. C is for connecting, where we explore friendships, screen time, and building healthy relationships. A is for active, how moving your body can help to lift your mood, help you sleep at night, and many other benefits. This section also includes a fun 5-minute workout to get children on their feet, burning off some energy, and to keep them energised and focused on the learning at hand. L is for learning, where we look at how to look after our brains and how learning new things and having a growth mindset helps our mental health. M is for mindful, what it means to be present, taking notice and being grateful. Each topic includes plenty of RSE, PSHE and science curriculum. The session finishes with a short roundup by the coach.
We've just enjoyed some really wonderful GetCALM workshops for our Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 pupils by A-Life. A-Life were able to send us through their plans in advance so we could see that they were in line with the national curriculum, and the workshops differentiated really well between the different key stages. I was also impressed that there were so many cross-curricular benefits as well, involving science, PSHE, geography and physical education, to name but a few. And in the workshop there were different stations, and each station was unique and fun and engaged kinesthetic, auditory, visual learners, and covered the spectrum of different abilities within the classes as well. The coach was really professional, had discipline under control straight away, and was just enthusiastic and really engaging for the whole session. The experiences that they got from travelling around the stations really underpinned the teaching that they were getting, and I have no doubt in my mind that the GetCALM acronym is going to really benefit them for years to come and keep them with a really healthy mind.